But you know, we just come to represent for our people them at this time politically. And you know, the vibes is nice, so I just really think.
Politically, what would you change about Jamaica right now? What bothers you, what disturbs you?
No, what bothers me and what disturbs me are the same sentiment the people them are the writers of share. That's why I'm here. So Mr. Bowling will make it clear.
Thanks for
Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only per pressure, I'm a corner. What time it hard to carry on? You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far.
Welcome Sixers family, my enlightened keepers of Øwayne Media, alongside our new arrivals to the channel. Vybz Kartel and LA Lewis made surprise appearance at the People's National Party conference, and it has sparked crazy attention. Vybz Kartel did not give any speech, but his presence and support signifies a strong political alliance with PNP leader Mark Golding. Given Vybz Kartel's vast influence in Jamaica and across the Caribbean and the diaspora, this is a strategic partnership between Cartel and Mark Golding, and a major boost for Mark Golding PNP to win the next election. Now, particularly as Mark Golding is positioned right now to be the next Prime Minister. Correct me if I'm wrong, but Holness cannot be happy about this new alliance between Cartel and Mark Golding. And as you can see, the crowd went wild when they realized that Vybz Kartel showed up, and that only shows Vybz Kartel's strong cultural influence and impact, even after being recently acquitted of a murder charge. Another major event was the 7-star General LA Lewis donating $2 million to Mark Golding and the PNP, and LA Lewis confidently predicting that the PNP will win the next upcoming general election.
That is just warm up. Now, today is our 86th party. You take up the one half of the 8, put on the other one, 7. So people, PNP's got to take it to them this year. PNP's got to win this year. PNP can't lose this year. Maroon government.
I want people to understand that this alliance between Vybz Kartel and Mark Golding sends a direct message to Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party. Holness had previously leveraged Vybz Kartel's popularity during his political campaign and won that election, no remember? But he did not really follow up or follow through with any significant support by, for Vybz Kartel. So right now, Vybz Kartel's decision to align himself with Holness' competitor is a big blow to the JLP administration, and I spoke about this on my channel before. The bond between Vybz Kartel and Mark Golding goes beyond politics. Mark Golding's involvement in the legal process indirectly benefited Vybz Kartel, particularly with the removal of Paula Llewellyn, who played a major role in Cartel's case, right, and caused Cartel and Isaac Buchanan a lot of problems when Cartel had him case at that time. Now, this is why Isaac Buchanan and Vybz Kartel is showing Mark Golding this kind of loyalty, and the partnership now you can view it as mutually beneficial, because Vybz Kartel is lending his influence and Mark Golding is offering the political support, because Vybz Kartel get released from prison and Vybz Kartel travel to many other Caribbean countries and islands, you can say, and guess what, Vybz Kartel made political connections and links, and now he's doing it with Jamaica's next Prime Minister. Right, so this Vybz Kartel and Mark Golding alliance could prove to be a game-changing factor in the upcoming elections, as I said. Meanwhile, Holness faces the difficult task of countering this alliance, particularly as Vybz Kartel support for the PNP strengthens their position among the people who will eventually vote for PNP to put Mark Golding in power. I do not know who the JLP could ask for. I do not see or know anyone that is as influenced as Vybz Kartel that they can call on, to say, all right, then, I'm pushing my support behind the JLP party, vote for JLP party to continue being the ruling government. I just do not see it. Now, Mark Golding game plan of entering this 86th annual conference is with renewed energy and confidence following a strong performance in the recent local government elections. Although Jamaica Labour Party won more municipal corporations, the PNP garnered more votes and divisions, securing the right to appoint the mayor of Kingston, and this really has led to an optimistic mode within the party, with supporters feeling that the JLP time has come in the government and near the end. So time come, that is PNP motto right now. And Mark Golding is really letting the people and his party know that the PNP will farm the next election and take over, the general election. And PNP spokesperson Nikisha Burchell emphasized that conference is not just a routine event but a crucial moment to demonstrate the party's preparedness, right? To show people that they are prepared and committed to restoring, the power to the people. The theme, time come, I show urgency and need for change and transformation with, the PNP positioning themselves as the next government. And we just want to see the party that will choose the people and do right by the people, right? Because right now we are witnessing humongous support for Mark Golding and the PNP right now. No matter what the JLP them try to do, couple months ago it did not work. British citizenship and all of these other things, it did not work. No, you have one of the most influential person, Vybz Kartel, coming out and saying, yo, PNP, Mark Golding, you have my support, Ray. You know how that go. I will probably drop another video about Mark Golding and Mark Golding speech that he delivered, but Mark Golding's speech would really be surrounding. You can expect the speech to be delivered addressing or focusing on key issues such as corruption, crime, economic stagnation, and failures in the education sector. And that's what you can expect, transparency.
Well, we just come to represent for our people them at this time politically. And the vibes is nice, so that's what I think.
Politically, what would you change about Jamaica right now? What bothers you, what disturbs you?
No, what bothers me and what disturbs me are the same sentiment the people them are the writers are share. That's why I'm here. So Mr. Golding will make it clear.
Thanks.